Hey, wonderful luminaries out there. I just wanted to share some beautiful thoughts. First, I'll start with the Meditation Book Club. Our meditative thought, idea, concept this time was on trust. And this was all about not trusting anything outside of yourselves, but trusting God in you that speaks to you through your feelings. Now, if you are watching me on my YouTube channel, you'll know that I have a series of things that are set up for you to listen to remind you. They're called reminders from the universe. And the very first one in the series is all about paying attention to and listening to your feelings, being aware of them, and recognizing that they are a navigational system that lets you know when you're moving in the right direction and when you're not. So, when you're feeling an intuitive gut feeling that is causing anxiety, causing resistance in some sort of a way, it's just an indicator from inside of you that that wise part of you, God in you, is trying to tell you to pause for a moment. Think about the choice that you're about to make. Think about the thoughts that you're holding in your consciousness. Think about what it is that you are putting in. Because whatever it is that you're putting in through your focused attention, fascination, and feeling is being outpictured in your life as life experience. So the idea of trust is about trusting those internal nudges that are telling you that something needs your attention. And those nudges, again, can be any kind of a pain. Pain can show up as anything that feels uncomfortable. So, Meditation Book Club, all about trusting those feelings inside, because they are reflecting the thoughts that you're holding in consciousness. And I repeat myself a lot because sometimes it's hard for things to go in unless we hear them over and over again. And that's how the subconscious mind learns, is through repetition. So a lot of times things will be shared in different ways, in the same words, different intensities, whatever. Sometimes we got to get things more than once or twice. So I just invite you to begin to learn to trust in those feelings inside of you, because they are telling you that there is something that needs your attention. There is something that you are needing to pause, perhaps take a deep breath, go within, and do a little bit more processing on whatever that choice is that you're about to make. So trust yourself with the recognition that God is within you in every moment and speaks to you through the nudges of your feelings. Trust that intuition with enthusiasm. God in you. That's what enthusiasm means. And hold that and give thanks for it, because it's an awesome guidance system that will never leave you wrong, never leave you out in the cold. Always pay attention and trust in you. Peace and blessings. Until next time, Meditation Book Club, deep downloads, an interview that might come across right here at the Illuminations Media Network. Love you. Take good care.